Imagine a situation where conflict erupts and lives are at stake. Who stands as a steadfast champion, ensuring that even amidst chaos, fundamental rules are understood and respected? The Red Cross, primarily through its International Committee of the Red Cross, or ICRC, actively promotes international humanitarian law, often referred to as IHL. They serve as a crucial guardian and disseminator of these vital rules. Their commitment helps limit human suffering during armed conflicts. The foundation of the ICRC's role in promoting international humanitarian law stems directly from the Geneva Conventions themselves. These international treaties specifically mandate the ICRC to work towards ensuring respect for and the dissemination of these laws. Their unique principles of neutrality, impartiality, and independence grant them unparalleled access to conflict zones and the trust of all parties involved. This foundational authority is critical because IHL is designed to protect people not participating in hostilities and to limit the means and methods of warfare, striving to preserve a basic level of humanity. The ICRC employs several key strategies to spread awareness and ensure adherence to international humanitarian law. First, they provide extensive training and education to armed forces, police, and government officials around the world. This includes detailed courses on the rules of engagement and the protection of civilians. Second, they offer advisory services, assisting states in implementing IHL into their national legislation and military manuals, ensuring the laws are translated into practical domestic application. Third, through discreet diplomacy and direct engagement, the ICRC reminds parties to conflicts of their obligations under the law. Fourth, their field delegates actively observe the conduct of hostilities and intervene confidentially with authorities when violations occur, working to prevent further harm. A significant aspect of the ICRC's work, which often goes unnoticed, is their invaluable contribution to the development and clarification of international humanitarian law itself. Beyond the explicit treaties, a large part of IHL is customary, meaning it arises from general state practice accepted as law. The ICRC meticulously compiles and publishes exhaustive studies on customary international humanitarian law, helping to clarify these unwritten rules and solidify their standing. For example, their comprehensive study on customary IHL provides a vital reference for courts and states. They also run specialized intensive courses for military legal advisors globally, embedding deep legal expertise directly within the armed forces of various nations, fostering a culture of compliance from within. By continuously educating, advising, and advocating for these essential rules, the Red Cross ensures that even in the most challenging circumstances of armed conflict, fundamental protections for civilians, the wounded, and prisoners are upheld. This dedicated work helps to mitigate suffering and foster greater adherence to the principles of humanity, making a profound difference in the lives of millions affected by war.